I'm a pediatrician in practice, my own practice in Cleveland, Ohio. I'm really not here for myself. I'm here for about 5 to 8 million Americans who kicked off their insurance if one of these justices votes the wrong way. And that would cost 10,000 lives a year, more than the number of Americans who died in Iraq and Afghanistan.
And is there anything about the King v. Burwell case that you think a lot of people don't know?
I think a lot of people are befuddled by the technicality of the case. It's a tiny little clause that states that people will be allowed to enroll in exchanges, medical marketplaces, and the law states that these are run by states, not anticipating that many states would refuse to run them. And so on a technicality, a case has been brought to the highest court in the land to say since the law didn't specifically mention a federal exchange, it shouldn't be allowed. That would kick 5 to 8 million Americans right now off insurance and cost millions of Americans access to insurance going forward. And at least 10,000 people would die for no reason this year, only because one of these justices might vote the wrong way.
And I think patients and America sort of as a whole understand how important health insurance is. I think here in Washington sometimes it gets a little bit lost in political rhetoric. You know, it's this clause versus that clause and it's a technicality. But, you know, the truth is that I think we see in our medical practice is that people who don't have health insurance are sick. And sometimes they die needlessly, you know, because we get wrapped up in technicalities in Washington. And I think it's important that people here understand that.
The other thing I think people may not appreciate is that 75% of physicians are in favor of this act continuing. We hear a lot from people in the medical field who are opposed to this, but we're very pleased, if you look around, to see hundreds of doctors here from around the country, because doctors really do want to see people live.